In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vignette in Photoshop using the Camera Raw filter. We'll start simple and keep it clean so you can follow along with any photo. First, open your image in Photoshop. Once your photo is up, we're going to apply the vignette inside Camera Raw because it gives you intuitive controls and a live preview of your changes. Go to the top menu and choose Filter, then Camera Raw Filter. This opens your image in a dedicated editing window with a panel of controls on the right. Look for the section labeled Effects. If it's collapsed, click to expand it. This is where the vignette tools live and where you'll do all your fine tuning. Begin with the vignette amount slider. This is the main control that sets the overall strength and direction of the effect. Dragging to the left uses negative values that darken the edges, drawing attention inward to your subject. Dragging to the right uses positive values that lighten the edges, which can create a soft, airy look. Start modestly. Small adjustments often look more natural. Watch the corners as you move the slider and aim for an effect that enhances the subject without calling attention to itself. Once the amount feels close, fine-tune the look using the midpoint, roundness, and feather sliders. Midpoint controls how far the vignette reaches toward the center of the image. Move it left to push the effect deeper into the frame, or right to keep it hugging the edges. This is especially helpful if your subject sits near the borders or dead center. Roundness shapes the vignette. Sliding left gives a more rectangular or elliptical feel, which can complement wide or tall compositions. Sliding right makes the vignette more circular, great for centered portraits or symmetrical scenes. Match the shape to your composition so the vignette supports rather than fights your framing. Feather sets how soft the transition is between the vignette and the rest of the image. A higher feather creates a gradual, natural fade that smoothly blends with the photo. A lower feather makes the edge more defined and noticeable. For most images, a softer feather looks more cinematic and less heavy-handed. Take a moment to balance these controls together. Often, a subtle negative amount, a moderate midpoint, a shape that echoes your frame, and a generous feather create a refined professional finish. Trust your eye and adjust until the edges guide attention without stealing the show. When you're happy with the look, you're done. Your vignette is set